Warthogs are a common sight around these parts, and they're not to be messed with. Their tusks are formidable bits of hardware, used to fend off attacks by predators such as lions, and also fight between each other. They are very powerful pigs in these parts, a power that shouldn't be underestimated. An adult male warthog deliberately walks up to the banded brothers. The mob stand their ground. A mongoose could be seriously hurt with just one swipe of the warthog's tusks, and even a simple injury could spell the end of any mongoose. Still, they boldly head straight for it. As it turns out, they run a bit of a racket with the local warthogs on the way up. It's a cleaning racket. By allowing the mongoose to climb all over its body, the warthog has its ticks removed, and the mongoose gets a protein-rich meal. Although the family do have to watch out for 100 kilos of falling pig every now and again. This is a unique symbiotic relationship between two mammal species, and one which benefits both parties. The banded brothers make pretty quick work of their cleaning duties. Eventually, the warthog checks out of the mongoose spa